Assalamu alaikum and hello, my name is Asiya Bajwa and today I'm going to share the process of fixing pastels, pencil, graphite, charcoal, anything that you want to use in your acrylic painting. You need to fix it because it has the tendency to smudge. So what I do first is this is the area where I want to fix. I take any kind of fixative spray, I shake it well, I just give a very thin coat of it, very thin coat actually, and then I let it to dry. Once it is dry, I take any kind of matte mediums and I coat a brush with it and I just gently apply that on the pastels. This will protect it further from smudging. In areas where I don't want to use fixative, for example here I've used pencil, what I do is I just take matte medium and I gently dab it wherever I want to fix the pencil. And then once it is dry, I'll put another coat for extra protection of the pencil. And even if where I've used pastel color and I don't want to fix it, I don't want to fix it with fixative, I just take the brush and I gently just cover it with matte mediums. You can also smudge it a little bit if you want to. That gives a lovely effect as well. Don't ever forget to fix your pastels or pencil or charcoal on your painting. So this was it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from it. Goodbye.